Good morning everyone. This is the answer key of test 3, large numbers, 8 July 2021. Write the Roman numbers for 96. So for 96 we have to know that what is 100. 100 is, I have already told you how you need not to learn all the Roman numbers. You should already know that some of the 5 to 6 symbols you have to learn. So for 100 we have C, and for 10 we are having X. So as you will write, if you will write on the left side in Roman number, you have to subtract. So XC, okay, XC is 90. Then we have 5, V for 5, and 1 for, we have I for 1. So XCV1, that is XC 90, 5 and 6, 96. We are having A part, so we are going to put A part. Okay, round off the following number to the nearest 100, 87,538. For the nearest 100 we have to look at the tens place value, that is 3, and for 3 what we are going to do is 3 we will compare with 5. I've written wrong. 3 you are going to compare with 5, and then 5, 3 you are going to compare with 5. 3 is smaller than 5, so we are not going to add 1 here. We are going to write 87,500. So these two digits will be changed into 0. So your answer will here will be 87,500. Very carefully, not 87,000, not 88,500. Very carefully you have to put the tick. That's why I am saying please solve the solutions with it only. Do not leave it for next day, okay, or for next time. 24th lakh 15,145. So again we have to write the expanded form here. So we have to check here. 2 is at 10th lakh place, so we should be having how many digits behind? 1 2 3 4 5 6 digits behind, 6 zeros behind. 1 2 3 4 5 6 we are having. Then we are having 4, it should be having 1 2 3 4 5 zeros, so we are going to have 5 0 here. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, then we are having 1 here, 4 zeros, because here 4 numbers is there, so it should be 4, but here we are having 5, so we have to go for the next one. So here 6 zeros we are having, here we are having 5 0, here we are having 4 0, and then we are having 5, so we need this 5 we need to have 3 zeros, so we are having 3 zeros. Then for the 1 we are having 100, 2 zeros. For the 4 it is on tens place, so we will have 1 0. 5 is at 1 place, so we will not have any number here. So now we will put B part, but let us check C part also. What is the difference here? 6 zeros we are having 2, then we are having, again please look here, we are having 6 zeros here. We should have 5 0, but it is having 6 0, so this one is wrong, this one is wrong. You have to put tick. A little bit difference is there and your answer, your choice will be wrong, so you have to be very careful. Write the place value and the face value of 8 in the following numbers. So we have to write the place value and face value: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So 8 is having 8 lakh place value. How many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5, 5 zeros behind. Face value I have already told you, like face we do not change, the face value also. Face value will remain 8. So we here already face value is same, so we have to check the place value. 5 zeros we needed, 1 2 3 4 5, so this one is the correct option. Here we are having 4, here we are having 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 zeros, so these two are wrong. We need to have 5 zeros behind, because it is having 8 lakh, it is at the place value of 8 lakh, so lakh has 5 zeros, so that's why we will take this one. Okay, now question number 5, use the digit without repetition to form the smallest 5 digit number. Smallest, okay, so here 1 0 3 6 7. Okay, we cannot write 0 in front, because if you will write 0 in front, this will become 0, this will become your 4 digit number, not a 5 digit number. So you have to be very careful that it should be written after the next smaller number. Okay, you cannot start your number with 0, it will be wrong. It will be then one less than number will be there. Okay, so here we always have to write the smaller number than the 0, means 0, and then there will be something smaller, something larger than that but smaller than other numbers, so we have to write that number first. So here we have 10376, but 7 is greater than 6, so we have to write it back. So sixth question, C part is right. Now the total cars sold in January, February, March and April is 5,26,874, 19 lakh 23,569, 12 lakh 57,342 and 32 lakh 45,234. As you can see here that we have all the values in lakhs, so there will be no problem. Arrange the month in ascending order. Now we have to use in ascending order. So in ascending order, please remember this thing, you will write the smaller number first and then you will write the bigger number afterwards. But in descending order, you have to write the bigger number first and then you have to write the smaller number, because a lot of students get confused in this thing, so you have to be very careful when you are doing this question. Now as you know that 5,26,000 is smaller 1, so 12, then 12 2, then 19 3 and then 32 fourth number. Okay, so 5 lakh is the smallest one, you have to be very careful, smallest one your beak should be closed. Okay, so then we have said 1257, then we have to get 19 and then you have to get the 32. You have to be very careful about this thing, that where the beak is closed. If we have ticked this one, so it must be wrong. So it is showing that 5,26,000 is more than this one, and if you will put this one, so this is the descending order, not the ascending order. So you have to put the ascending order, that's why this one is correct. Okay, now match the following 90 LIX, XIX, XL or XC. So for 90 we have 100 C. So if we will write on the X at the right side, so what it will become, it means 100 minus 10 is 90, so we are going to take this one. And then 59, for 59, for 50 we have L and 9, so you have to add 10 minus 1 you have to do, so it should be L minus I or X, because I will be subtracted from X, so it will be 10 minus 1 is 9 and L is 50, 50 plus 9 is 59. This is XIX, so it means 10 plus IX is 9, so 19, and this is XL, so it is L minus, means 50 minus 10 is 40, so this is for the 40. So these two are the correct options. Now do the number 56,765 and 56,654 give the same number when rounded off, okay, to the nearest thousand. And what is the number? So we have to check whether they are giving the same round off to the if we are rounding off to the nearest thousand, or if it is so we have to check what are the numbers. So now we are having 56,765. For the nearest thousand we have to look at the 100 place value. 7 is at 100 place value. 7 we are going to compare with 5. 7 is bigger than 5, so we are going to put 1 here. Then it will become 57,000. All these 3 0 we are going to replace with 0. Then 56,654, that is again 6 we are going to compare with 5. 6 is bigger than 5, so we are going to give 1 here. So it will become 57 and these 3 zeros will be replaced by 0. As you can see, we are having the same round off, so 57,000, 57,000. So that's why we are going to say yes, it is same, and we are getting the same number here. What is the number? 57,000. Put commas and write the following numbers in according to the Indian numeral system, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3. So we have to put according to the Indian numeral system. So here we have to write ones, tens, 100, it will be together, then 1000, 10,000 together, and then it will be lakh. Okay, so we have to read this together. 5 lakh 67 together we have to write 1,813. So 5,67,813 is the answer. Now put commas and write the following numbers according to the international numeral system. 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 8. 4, 5, 6. So again ones, tens, 100 together, and then 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, you have to read this together and this together. So 456,718 is the number. I hope that there will be no problem with this and you will be able to write these things. And please don't forget to read knowledge nuggets, practice all the worksheets properly that I have given in holiday homework also, and all the back exercises and the mental math that is given in the book. Read the questions properly, then only attempt the questions. Okay, everybody, it is important for you to send your solutions like this only. No need to write the question, but answer should be in this manner only. Proper solutions should be shown so that there will be no confusion. How to do the round off, how to add the number, how to multiply the number, all these things should be shown properly. Statements are compulsory. If you will not write the statement, your answer will be, your marks will be deducted. Thank you.